Trees also serve many purposes here. Imagine you are planting all these beautiful plants on your land, and you notice they need a water source. So you find a low-lying area and begin digging down and around, making the shape of a small pond. As you step back from the circle of dirt you've created, you know only a few heavy rains need to pour down, and it will begin to fill and turn into a natural source of water. This pond serves many purposes on your land. It not only provides you and the wildlife with water, but it also gives you somewhere to go meditate and reflect on the good things in life and the good things you do for others. Closer to your home, you see that you need some vegetables and fruits. So create a garden that is easy for you to access and water when necessary. Plant all the fruits you like and any kind of vegetables you need. Your garden flourishes and provides. All this garden needs from you is to be tended to. You look around you and you see you need an orchard. So, strategically plant many apple trees and other fruiting trees right next to the protected area by the big tall trees and a little closer to the pond so that they can drink from their roots. This orchard supplies you with the most delicious apples you have ever tasted, and their nutrients are off the charts. You look around your plot of land, and you are proud. Not only do all these plants protect you and your home, but they give to you and the community around them. So make sure you work on the garden within you and put up proper barriers so that if planted well and with love and care, they also give. You are protected and allowed to lead a happy life. And now, look again at your hand-built home and make any necessary changes to it. You are an excellent builder after all.